Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorials. In this video, I will show you how we can manage Windows device power options such as hibernation, restart, and even we will be able to disappear the power icon. Open the Microsoft Intune Admin Center portal and navigate to Devices, Windows, Configuration Profiles. On the Windows Configuration Profiles blade, click Create, New Policy. On the Create a Profile blade, select Windows 10 and later Settings Catalog and click Create. On the Basics page, provide at least a unique name to distinguish it from similar profiles and click Next. On the Configuration settings, click Add Settings, navigate to Start, and select Hide Hibernate, Hide Lock, Hide Power Button, Hide Restart, Hide Shutdown, and Hide Sleep in Settings Picker. Enable and configure the different settings that are required for the use cases. Here I am selecting only Hide Hibernate and click Next. On the Scope Tags page, configure the required scope tags and click Next. On the Assignments page, configure the assignment for the required user or devices and click Next. On the Review plus Create page, verify the configuration and click Create. To verify the settings, go to the Windows device which has applied the policy. Wait until syncs, or manually sync it. Wait till the policy applies. Thanks for watching.